Are you excited? Let's go! Yay! Paying travel tax.
Can close. Should be open. Should be open for take-off.
I'm excited in Shanghai because we're going there in Shanghai. And my favorite part there is Disneyland. Hi.
We're here at Terminal 1. We're going to the immigration. Let's go! Let's go, this is it.
The local time
Hello,
is
welcome to
3:22 in the
Shanghai.
afternoon, and the date today is September 8th.
We're here. Welcome to Shanghai. You need to wear your jackets now, okay? Okay, our gears are ready. Yeah, let's go. It's very cold. It's 8 degrees out. Yeah. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's claim our baggage. We're riding maglev. Maglev.
The speed is going up.
It's cold. It's freezing cold. Are you cold, Clang? It's our first maglev ride. Yay!
And so fast.
8 minutes and we're at Longyao Road. Langyao? Longyang. Okay, let's go. Now here, outside the station. Took us many hours to get here in the city. Finally found our hotel, Modena. We're here. Ah, so tired.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Hungry. Let's go. So we're here at Modena, our room. We're so tired. I'm gonna have a room tour tomorrow. Eating dinner. Just bought it from Family Mart because we're so hungry. Time is almost 9 p.m. We're gonna rest it off tonight and then have some fun tomorrow.
Yeah.